Yeah, my people. My name remains the same, Pasuma Wonder, Ogala Fuji. I'm here to clear the air about the rumors going all around on every social media, all the social media, that I was chased away at a protest ground in Alausa. I wasn't chased away. The youths are even happy that day that I came. They were happy. They were happy seeing me, and I came to support them because they knew I came to support them. I'm in support of what they're asking for, 100% in support of what they're asking for. Because I have kids as well, and I believe it's for the betterment of every one of us if Nigeria is great and better again. Yes, so why won't I support them? Great Nigerian youths, I'm in support of what you are asking for. We are all in this together. We are the giant of Africa before, and I believe we are coming back strong to become the lion of Africa again. So why won't I support? I'm in support of what they're asking for. So I say, end SARS, end police brutality, stop killing our youth. Stop killing Nigerian youth. They are the leaders of tomorrow. And for those of you spreading fake rumors that I was chased away at the protest ground, I say, fair. And one more thing. Federal government and state government of Nigeria, the Nigerian youths are not backing off soon. Until they back bon content bear, they back bowa. We are not backing off. Ẹni láti gbọ́n tí a tàn sọ, a ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè báyìí o, wọ́n ti gbọ́ wa, a ti sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí, ẹ ti ń gbọ́. We need new Nigeria. Nigeria needs to be great again. Nigerian youth, I'm in support. I'm with you 100%. We are in this together. May God bless Nigeria. May God bless Nigeria youth. Great, great, great Nigeria youth. Great, great, great Nigeria youth. Thank you so very much.
Police brutality, police devastation,